Welcome! Today I'm going to show you the 3 main steps to make your Google Chrome application faster on your Android device. The first thing you need to check is if your Google browser is up to date. To do that, open the Play Store application, select the search tab over here and search for the Chrome application. Now, if you see the update button right here, click on it and wait until the download is finished. Now, to keep your browser up to date, tap on the 3 dots icon in the upper right corner and enable auto update. Now, the next step to make your browser faster is remove all the tabs that aren't currently used. To do that, tap on the tabs icon at the top of the screen and just swipe out all the tabs that you're not currently using. This will make your browser significantly faster. And the last thing you'd like to do is to set the preload settings that would work the best for you. To do that, tap on the 3 dots icon in the upper right corner, select Settings, then go to the Privacy and Security tab and select Preload Pages over here. Now here you can choose to use the standard preloading to preload the websites that you use the most, or use the extended preloading to preload even more websites, or not use preload at all, so that the pages will only load after you open them. Pick what's best for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.